Hello beautiful, welcome back to my channel. So this is for the random giveaway, but because it is back to school, I'm adding more stuff to it. So if you don't know what my random giveaway is, I do a random giveaway. I started like a couple months ago, and in one of my videos I'm doing it just to show gratitude and to thank you all for being subscribed to my channel. So here is the little makeup bag, and it's full of goodies. And let me show you everything else that I'm going to add to this giveaway. It's not big, but it's still part of the random giveaway, and I'm actually going to have this giveaway going on for about 4 weeks. I'll have the date when it's over down below in the description box. Just go ahead and click on it, and you do have to do the giveaway through Glee. So let me show you everything else that I'm adding to this giveaway. Dun dun dun. So it's not a big giveaway, but it's still a giveaway. So this is like my small little back to school giveaway. I didn't do a lot because I have 3 boys and I have to go shopping for them to go back to school. So I decided to toss in this Mad About You 24-hour moisture ultra shea body cream from Bath and Body Works. So you're gonna get that. You're gonna get 2 of these bath little balm things here from, if this will focus, from Bath and Body Works. You got the Sweet Pea and Beautiful Day right there. Then you're gonna get this brush right here. It's the Rainbow Volume S brush right here. So that's what it looks like. And this is the mini one. I have a larger one, but I'm putting the mini one in here. Then you're gonna get 3 of these nail polishes here, and they're from OPI, if you can see that. They're from OPI, and these are the little mini ones. Then I'm also throwing in this other nail polish here. They're from Meg, and they're 2 nail shades right there. I'm also going to toss in this e.l.f. Lip Kiss Balm in the shade XO Red. A jumbo lip gloss stick from e.l.f. as well. And this is in the shade Pink Umbrella. Next, I'm going to toss in this Moda contour brush. Looks just like this. It's still in the package and everything. And I'm going to add that in. I'm going to add in a small little stationery set right here. I'm also going to add in this notepad. This is from the Planner Addict box. This is actually a subscription box, but yeah, I'm going to add that in as well. And then this is just a little tiny notebook. It has like no lines or anything in there. It's just plain white paper. And next, I'm going to add this electric nail care system. Yes. And I'm going to add this to the giveaway. And then, of course, the palette is the Persona palette. So if you have not seen this palette, I actually have mine, but mine's is like kind of grimy. So this one's mine. As you can see, mine's is kind of grimy. So I'm going to go ahead and open this one so you guys can see what it looks like. Alright, so this is what the palette looks like, as you can see. And I'm going to go ahead and open it for you. Oh, there's the plastic. The plastic's still on it. So let me get some light here. So that is what the palette looks like. So you will be receiving this palette too. These are very gorgeous shades, and they're very, very pigmented. And I mean very. So this is everything that's going to be in the giveaway. If you would like to enter, the link will be down below in the description box. And good luck. And remember, you do have to be a subscriber for 1 But yeah, all the rules and everything will be down below in the description box. And good luck!